Dear US citizens in the UK, you might have heard about the new declaration of settled status scheme. The Department of Exiting European Union has published a technical document which has been updated recently on 28th of February 2018. So the document is quite updated, full of interesting, important information, but the document is quite long. I wish to make this document easy to understand, simple to follow, and short. Let's begin. So this is about the future right of EU citizens in the UK, which will be explained in terms of settled status scheme, which is expected to be very positive for the EU citizens. Presently, you do not have to produce any kind of document to support your right of staying in this country and authority to work and live. But things will change when UK leaves European Union formally, which will happen on 29th of March 2019. So after 29th of March 2019, next year, everything gonna change. And all EEA national must possess any one kind of the document. You must obtain your status by making an application to possess any one of the document. One document would be the settled status document, which is permanent settlement or permanent PR, permanent residence, or it can be temporary residence permit. The UK government assures the EU citizens that the process will be very simple, cost effective, and they have a long list of promises which are very encouraging. Say, let's start with this first one. For any minor technical issue, no application will be refused. Very much encouraging, very positive. So in case of small little minor issues, the caseworker will apply all their authority to make the application a success. The caseworker will apply their discretion, and if need be, even it has been said like that, caseworkers will call and talk to the applicant to get things sorted out. Very encouraging. The system will be low cost, digital, and user friendly. Well, it will be done online, thereby it is digital and user friendly. Possibly they will ask less information. If you remember, present EEA PR application is so lengthy, 86 or 87 pages long. It's very difficult to really fulfill and satisfy the caseworker with all these informations. But the future will be easier. They will make it a user-friendly application, and of course it will be low cost. That means presently you pay £65. It might increase a little bit more. Home Office says it will be equal to the cost of applying for a UK passport, which is £72.5 at present. But the application fee of passport will change again this month from 27th of March 2018. The application fee for passport will be £85 for adult and 54 or £55 for the children. So we can understand the EE application fee will be settled next year to £85, I guess. Still it is low cost. It has been promised that they will give plenty of time to apply after the Brexit, which specifically means plenty of time means 2 years. So after the Brexit, that is 29 March 2019, you add 2 more years to get yourself settled in this country or to make a PR application or temporary application. Otherwise, it means everything will go the way it is going now up to 2 years from the Brexit date. They will minimize the documentary burden. That means they will not really ask so many informations which is now being asked through EEA PR or similar kind of applications through a bulky 87 pages long applications. So it will be reduced. And how it will be reduced? One example was given in that document that Home Office will contact HMRC, for an example, to get your employment record, which is already available to them. So it's no point writing it down again. They will collect it from HMRC. This is how they will lessen your burden while making an application. That's a very good sign. If any application is being refused, you will have the opportunity for administrative review and even the statutory right of appeal. There will be no need of comprehensive sickness insurance cover, CSI. This is a pain at present. Now many of my clients really failed to make a fresh PR application just because they do not have this comprehensive sickness insurance cover. This CSI specifically relates to the EEA students and those who are self-sufficient people. So as a student or self-sufficient people, if you do not have this comprehensive sickness insurance, your application will be refused. So that was a very big problem. That is a big problem at present. So those who are affected by this, I will ask them to wait for a few more months. This is going to be cancelled, and then good time will come to make a PR application after 29th of March next year. So far, what we have discussed can be summarized here in this picture that is very self-explanatory graph. Here you can see that by 29th March 2019, if we have come in this country, lived here and worked here for 5 years, you can directly apply for settlement. If you have arrived here by 29th March 2019 but you have not completed the qualifying period of 5 years, not a problem. You can apply for temporary residence permit, wait for your time. When 5 years completed, you apply for PR, and this PR will lead to citizenship if you want to. But after that, after the Brexit, it is a mandatory that you must have any one of these kind of the document, must have settled document or temporary residence document. That is a must. Notice this green box here. It says they arrived in UK after 29 March 2019. That means after the Brexit has been taken place. If any EU citizen wants to come to UK, work, live or study, they are welcome. But what will be their future? Whether this staying will be counted or they will be taken towards permanent residentship or towards citizenship, that is not sure yet. Home Office or the Secretary is unsure about it. That depends on the future agreement in place at that time. The future will decide the course. So far, this is the summary. These are the important informations you need to know about the settled status scheme. Hope this has helped you. It has saved you some time of reading a long document. You know the salient point, you know the main points. If this video has helped you, you may consider to share it for others. If you want to ask any question in relation to immigration, you can call me on this number or you can email me. Thank you very much for hearing. See you in the next video. Bye.